In this video, I will show you how to download Adobe Illustrator for free on your PC or Mac. First, open your browser and search for Adobe Illustrator Free. Open the official Adobe website from the search results. Select your country if prompted, then click Start Free Trial. Choose the individual plan if you're installing Illustrator on a single device, or select the business plan if you need it for multiple users or devices. Next, enter your email address and click Continue. Then fill in the required information, including your payment details. Adobe requires a valid payment method to activate the free trial. After that, click Agree and subscribe. If prompted, create a password for your Adobe account. Now, download and install the Adobe Creative Cloud app from Adobe's official website. Sign in using the same Adobe account you just created. Once you're signed in, open the Apps section, find Adobe Illustrator, and click Install. Wait for the installation to finish, then launch Adobe Illustrator. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.